Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we will learn the most useful and regularly used commands in any Linux system. These commands can be very useful for beginners who just got started to use any Unix-based OS. After this video, you will definitely learn some new Linux commands which will help you to use your Linux OS more easily. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. 1. ls command. List directory contents. If you know Windows, you would know that the command dir is used to list the contents in a directory. In Linux, the ls command is used to list out files and directories. Some versions may support color coding. The names in blue represent the names of directories. The -a switch is used to show hidden files and directories. 2. Clear. This command lets you clear the terminal screen. 3. cd command. Change the current directory. The / is to be used in Linux. The example is a Linux directory that comes with all versions of Linux. The // is used to move one directory back. 4. pwd command. Print working directory. One way to identify the directory you are working in is the pwd command. It displays the current working directory path and is useful when we are changing directories rapidly. Now, we are inside videos folder. 5. mkdir. This command is used to make or create a new directory. A new folder named abcd is created. 6. Touch command. The touch command is used to create a new file. The new file can be of any extension. We have created a new text file with the name test.txt. As you can see, the file is successfully created inside our abcd directory. 7. Cat command. The cat command, short for concatenate, is one of the most frequently used commands in Linux. Cat command allows you to view the contents of the file, concatenate files and redirect output in terminal or files. Currently, nothing is displayed since we haven't written anything on our test.txt file. 8. Nano command. Nano is a text editor for Unix-like operating environments using a command line interface. To write something, we will write nano, then our file name. Now, let's write something here. And press Ctrl+X to save the file. Type Y and press enter to save. Now, if we do the cat command again, you can see the text is displayed on our terminal. Also, by manually opening the file, you can see that the text is written successfully on our file. 9. Copy command. cp command is used to copy a file, folder in any Linux OS. 10. rm command. Rm command is used to remove a file or folder. In this case, we are deleting the test.txt file we copied on our desktop. 11. mv command. To move a file or rename a file, you would use the mv command. Here we moved the file successfully to desktop. The mv command doesn't create a copy, rather it moves the entire file. 12. grep command. The grep command searches through many files at a time to find a piece of text you are looking for. Here, we are looking for the Linux text we wrote on the file. As you can see, it has found the word Linux and displayed on the screen. 13. Password command. This command is used to change the user account password. We will type password followed by username and then press enter. It asks us to enter a new password and then confirm it. Once confirmed, the password is successfully updated. 14. wc command. The wc, word count command in Linux operating system is used to find out the number of new lines, word count, byte and characters count in a file. The -w switch counts the number of words inside the file. Also, the -L switch counts the number of lines inside the file. 15. History command. This command is used to show previously used commands, or to get information about the commands executed by a user. 16. App get update. It is used to install new software packages or to remove available software packages. 17. App get upgrade. This command is used to upgrade your Linux OS to a newer version, if available. 18. Chmod command. The chmod command is used to change permissions of a file or folder. Currently, we can see the available permissions for our test.txt file. The +X switch is used to grant all, read, write and execute permissions for the file. As you can see, now all the permissions are granted to the file. Thank you for watching the video. Please press the like button and subscribe the channel for more ethical hacking and penetration testing related contents. Please support us on Patreon, as it helps us to continue creating more awesome ethical hacking and cyber security content for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.